Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we will see how to delay the execution of certain methods by a particular duration or time in our Android app. So let's begin. We'll create a new project. Name it probably delay app. You can name it anything. Click finish and wait for the environment to load. So this kind of app will be useful when we want to delay the execution by certain time frame, and it's not recommended to use any kind of wait or sleep APIs methods because stopping the main thread may not be a good idea. So we'll be creating a parallel thread to do this activity. I'll show you once the environment loads up. Let's wait. Environment has come up. I will start the app in emulator in parallel on the right hand side. And anyway, so the code is very simple. It's very straightforward. I will in the layout I'll use this text view most likely, and I'll also most likely just increase the size of this text view, the text size, so that it's visible what's going on. So I'll make it 24, or probably I'll make it even larger, 34. Okay, and what else? I'll give it some ID so that I can access it from my Java code, and I'll put a button to trigger it. So, and I'll name this button something like delay, and I'll give the constraints. Yeah, once the constraints are given, so what else can I do is I will go to the no, there's some more error here. I think I should have the width is not sufficient, so I'll make it like this. Yeah, perfect. Now in the Java code is pretty simple, so I have to just make a class variable private text view, and I'll associate it with the widget using the find view by id, find view by id r.id.textView, and I'll create a public method, public void button delay view, and I'll associate this button this method to the buttons on click attribute over here like this. Yeah, perfect. And now I'll go back to my Java code, and in this Java code what else can I do is, so in the Java code, first and foremost I'll make the framework and I'll show you what is a framework. So you have to create a new runnable, and in this new runnable there will be a method called run. So this is a run which will run if as is in a separate thread and not in the main thread. So that's something which you should make sure that you do it. But how to execute or how to trigger it? So we can create a handler object using the new handler, and I think we should initialize the looper from the get main looper, and then we should call this handler after a delay. So here we will say post delay, and here runnable will be of course the runnable which we have just now defined above, and we can give the delay in milliseconds. So say for example I give a delay of 3000 milliseconds, which is equal to 3 seconds delay. So delayed by 3 seconds. Yeah, it's just for my purpose. But how to check it, how to delete? So what we'll do is we'll create few variables. So let me first create long time 1 equals to, and here we can get the current time system, current time in millis. So this will give me the current time in milliseconds, and returns in long data format. And also I will create another variable inside this which is long time 2 basically, and then in the set text, or I can create another variable long long time difference, and this will basically I will take the difference long time 2 minus long time 1. So this I'm expecting that this will be approximately the delay whatever we are giving here, so which is around 3000 milliseconds. So that's what I'm expecting, a little bit higher for the overhead of the function call, and then we can print this in our test view text view to see how it comes up. So long difference, no. First I'll say string dot value of, and inside this long difference. Yeah, perfect. So let's run this code and see how it comes up. So what I'm expecting is in the text view, it should display the amount of time difference, which is approximately 3 seconds is what we are given. So it will return in 3 milliseconds or 3000 milliseconds approximately over here. So app has come up. Let me run. Perfect. So if you notice, it was a bit delayed and the return is 3005. So as I told, like it will be a little higher than 3000 because of the different costs it takes, the overhead time it takes to run the and execute a method. I'm rerunning it again. It may be a little different. It may be 3004 also. It may be 3006. I think it remains same. So it has not changed. If I call it again, it's I told you now, it may change, so it depends upon your phone execution speed and that time what other functions are being called, but it will approximately be, yeah, 3000 seconds. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video. It's very simple to delay a process, but please note you should run it in a separate thread. So I just new thread, and not in a direct main thread you should delay it. And this is the best way to delay any particular method, so that it runs in a separate runnable and not impacts the main runnable. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.